words are spirit, your words are life. We are the branches, and you are the vine, and you were broken for our life, and you poured yourself as one. Your words are spirit, your words are life. We are the branches, you are the fire, and you were broken for our life. And you poured yourself as one. It's broken bread and poured out wine from the Father through the Son unto His bride. It's broken bread and poured out wine from the Father through the Son and through His bride. And there is a fountain filled with blood, drawn from Emmanuel's veins. In that flood my sin is washed away. For you came to give me life, life abundantly. No longer I, but Christ who lives in me. There is a fountain filled with blood, drawn from Emmanuel's veins. And in that flood my sin is washed away. For you came to give me life, life abundantly. No longer I, but Christ who lives in me. Oh, 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 there is a fountain filled with blood, drawn from Emmanuel's veins. In that flood my sin is washed away.